Hi everybody, so I'm working on some, I guess called bralettes, I guess you would call, or really I'm working on some dresses that have like a bikini like tight top. And so if you could look at this, you could see that this is like have like a curvature that it would fit over your breast correctly. So I wanted to show you how to do this, so stay tuned and you can learn how to do this right here. If you look at it from the side, you can see that it's like curved. Stay tuned. Now when we're crocheting this, we start out with a certain amount depending on your size breast cup, and you're going to increase on every end. So that means in your first stitch you're going to put 2 double crochets, and in your last stitch you're going to do double crochets until you get to the part where you want the curvature to start. So right now we are at that part. I have 25 stitches across, and I will, in the center, I'm going to be doing a decrease. Or right here, I'm going to be doing increases. So now right here, I'm going to ensure that I have 12 stitches. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. And I'm on the 12th one. We're up to the 12th one. So what we're going to do is, and when I counted, I didn't count the increase one. I only counted the one, the first one. I didn't count the chain one. So now we got 12. We're going to decrease right here in the center. And how we decrease is we yarn over, insert our hook into the stitch. We yarn over and pull up a loop on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through 2 loops because we're doing a double crochet. Remember that, 2 loops. Then we're going to yarn over again, insert our hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull up. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 loops on the hook. We're going to yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops because we're doing what? A double crochet decrease. And then we're going to yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops left on the hook, and that is a double crochet decrease. And then we just going to double crochet into the end and ensure that we increase right here. So we're increasing by 2 but decreasing by 1. Stay tuned. So we increased here, we decreased here, and we increased here. So 2 double crochets in the first stitch, 2 double crochets in the last stitch, and a decrease in the center. And we're going to do this every row until we get to the desired size cup for your specific breast. So depending on what size you need, it's depending on how many stitches you're going to start up with here. I started with 11 stitches. It gave 11 chains, which gave me 9 double crochets. You can start with more if you have a bigger breast. You can start with less if you have a smaller breast. But this is how I did it. And I hope that this is helpful for somebody. Okay, see y'all later. Bye. So this should be your result once you finish decreasing in the center and increasing on the end. This should be your result. It should look just like this. Now, depending on what size breast cup you are, it will be longer and wider or shorter and smaller. So longer, wider, shorter, smaller. It depends on what size breast cup you have. And I hope that this was helpful. I know I'm just trying to get these videos together like this to help y'all, teach y'all how to do something. So I know it may not be perfect, but it's coming along, and I hope that is helpful. Let me know in the comments if this helped you out. Thank you.